That is a very good looking taco, huh? I'm gonna use 2.5 strips of pork belly. It doesn't have the skin on it, unfortunately. If you can find it with skin, oh my gosh, that'd be great. I'm gonna cut this into chunks about this big. So now I'm gonna add salt, pepper, let's say a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna put hot pepper in this, optional. I'm using cayenne. You can use any chili pepper you have, about a 1/2 teaspoon. Do about a teaspoon of cumin and about a teaspoon of oregano. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in here and we start mixing. We wanna make sure to coat everything well. I'm gonna let this pork belly sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes before we cook it. Okay, it's still very cold. I want it to get to room temperature. These are ready to go into the air fryer. The air fryer preheated for the 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna put them in at 380 degrees and we're gonna cook them for about 25 minutes. We'll go see them halfway and shake the basket. I'm gonna make a little cabbage slaw for my pork. I'm gonna add some chopped cilantro. I'm gonna squeeze a lime in here. We're gonna keep this super simple. I just want a little crunch inside our tacos. I'm gonna add salt and we're just going to give this a mix and set it aside. All right, now I'm gonna shake the pork in there. We'll just let it finish cooking and we'll make our taquitos. I'm gonna start heating some tortillas to make our tacos. These are corn. Eat as many as you think you're going to want, okay? Look at that. Can you hear it crackle? I'm going to take some of it out and chop it up for my tortilla. So I'm going to put the meat in the middle of my tortilla, a little bit of that cabbage, and the salsa of your choice.